Okay, I don't know if I'm streaming already. This is part one of my live trading. Welcome to my channel. If you are watching on the live stream, please leave me a comment in the live chat so that I know you are here. And please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, so that I can do more of these live streams in the future. So this is OBS I'm using literally for the second or third time. I'm still getting familiar with the platform, with the software. So I hope I'm coming through smoothly. Let me go back to the trading platform. So if I'm looking at this monitor, I am trying to figure out where the live chat is. I'm also using my phone to see those positions as well. So I'm kind of all over the place at the moment because I'm honestly feeling very overwhelmed with the OBS platform for now. So I keep it very, very easy and have hopefully my platform shown and my camera, so you can see that I am doing this live. No video editing stuff, and I have already positions in Euro US dollar trading the forex market. There is also a link to my Discord server. If you have not joined the Discord server already, feel free to join for free, so we can connect there at a later stage as well if you have any questions or stuff like that. So I also have scheduled part 2 later in the afternoon, so that I'm testing also the schedule feature of OBS. Let me actually see on my phone if I'm streaming, if I'm already streaming. And actually, I mean, this is almost a month ago. For those of you who saw that I deposited like $100 into this trading account the 1st of October. But I mean, I have some personal issues at the moment, some depression, to be honest with you. So I was very, very tired. And this is the first time I'm actually doing the live stream again. And I'm recovering from some errors that I've done in the live stream, in the live trading. So I started with $100, and then I got a drawdown. I have added some more to the trading account up to $300, and now I am back to the balance of $221. I will show the history also over the next few trading sessions so that you can follow what has happened. So I'm kind of recovering from the drawdown and target between 5 to 10% on a daily basis, so that the best way to recover is 10% every 10 days. I have doubled my account. I feel more confident right now, have not too much stress at the moment. And I'm starting the live trading sessions here on my YouTube for now. So also I work with a couple of students already since May this year. So if you want to join my group coaching sessions, that will be a $97 founding membership deal. I will have some details coming up as well on the YouTube. So that you can understand how to, and also in Discord, obviously. So if you want to join Discord first, ask me some questions, feel free to use that link I posted on the video and also in the live stream. I see one guy is already here and send me a message here. Do you know? No, I don't know. I don't know. What is this guy? I don't know what this guy is. So I'm doing my live trading here, and I'm trying to figure out where the OBS is doing some. So I have some settings here, and hopefully you can see my trading platform. If you are still with me, can Can you help me? Tell me if you can see my live chart here with Euro US dollar, and the market is going down for now. Do you see that? I don't know if you're still with me here, but this is purely forex trading. And if you want to join the Discord, feel free to use that link. Okay, let me check actually on my phone because I really don't know how that looks like at the moment. Okay, there's that live stream. I probably need to have my headset on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hear myself actually, so that is good, and I see the platform, so okay, there is a delay. There is a delay for sure on the screen sharing. Testing 1, 2, 3. It's definitely not in real time anymore. So if you're doing some trading with me, there is a delay, and so what I'm doing, I'm closing some of the trades, so you can see the account history hopefully here for 33 cents. It's not too much money that I'm targeting on each trade for now, because I'm doing this full time. So if you think, oh, I'm trading like $100 for each trade or something, you have to manage the risk, obviously. And as I said, I target like between 5 to 10% on a daily basis. And the balance is like $221, as you can see below here. If you take a calculator, 5% on $220 is like 11 buy limit that was triggered at 6480, and the sell was started at 6493. That should be a 13-cent profit. So if I close that and I go back to the account history, you can see that I have added like 13 cents, and the total is like 44 cents after paying some commission. So I pay about 2 cents in commission. Most of the brokers will charge you like 5 to 7 cents on a micro lot. So I'm trading here with my special broker partner that has a VIP group. And if you want a VIP account, join the Discord server. The link is somewhere around the video. If you click the bit.ly link, you can join the Discord for free and have some more information there. Let me actually open up another cell quickly and set a buy limit right there. And then I go for this area for 6460. And I'm waiting this out. So trading is a thing where you need to have patience. Okay, I have, as I said before, I have started last month with a couple of mistakes, let's put it that way. If I go here for, let's say, last 3 months, you can see that on the history I have a deposit of $300 and a profit and loss currently at $78.77 because I have a balance of $221.23 at the moment. I was down like $150 maybe in the first week of October, and I am currently let me find, because on the phone I can actually do today, the week, and the month. Let's see on the desktop, custom period, and go for last week. if I go for last week, you can see there's a $43.12 profit. If I take the $221 minus 43, this is $178 starting point. 43 divided by 178 is 0.24, which is equal to 24% profit for the week. The week has 5 trading days, but let's say I do 7 days because it's the week. 24 divided by 7 is an average of 3.45% on a daily basis. Okay, so that is what is the current situation if you go for the week. Yeah, so you can see that based on last week's performance, I already have made 3.45% on a daily basis and recovered my drawdown by $43. Let's go back for custom period and today. Well, let's say last also probably interesting for you guys, maybe. That's actually $43 in the last 3 days. No, I'm sorry, $22.61. So there is like an update here. Let's say $22, 3 days, 221 minus 22. 199 is the starting point. 22 divided by 199 is 11%. 11% in 3 days divided by 3, that is 3.68% on a daily basis based on the last 3 days. Go for custom period again and do the today's trading session. So 44 cents is the current situation. And as I said, you have to have patience. Yesterday, if I go for the 1 hour time frame, this is the day, yesterday's trading session, and I was selling as well, and the market was actually going up to this area right here before the drop actually happened. So I was like dollar cost averaging to the sell side yesterday. I was down like $70 or something and closed in profit for $10 or something for the day. So I wanted to share that actually in the Discord group with some screenshots and talking about that, about patience and stuff like that. So if you want to join the Discord, feel free to click that link in the chat or on the video. Okay, so I don't see any more comments other than that guy here asking me of a person I've never heard about. So let me. Okay, we're going down there so 460 is the next target. So let me go for 46 right there. I'm adjusting some of my positions actually on the phone. So when you can, here's the update. I have changed the buy limit price to 6460 as my target, and I'm almost there. There you go. Now you can see this has been almost triggered, and actually now it's triggered. So what I'm doing next is I'm taking off some of the cells again. This is 6483, modify, close by, and take that off. This is 23 more cents. Getting into a rhythm here. Account history is now 23 cents on top of the 44 cents. So now I'm 65 cents for the day, and the day has started for me a couple of hours ago, but I'm starting here the live trading session on YouTube for the first time in November. So let's see how I'm doing, because I'm not doing this for a massive group very often, so I might screw it up, because if you trade alone, you know, you not have to talk consistently or have the feeling of explaining yourself why you do some of these trades or stuff like that, right? So I'm not used to do the live trading, and if you have never seen my YouTube channel before, that is because I started that in September, and I'm trying to do some of more content more frequently now, but in order for me to do that, I need you guys to actually do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, and can actually do some more of these live trading sessions. Okay, let's see. I think I have one more. Yeah, I have one more buy here. 6-4. So I'm taking 6-4-6-7 off the table. This is only 7 cents, but I am the target or the goal is to improve my average price. And I'm only trading 001 lot because I'm not a very good trader. And the reason for doing the 001 micro lot is because when the market goes against me, I have more ammunition to correct my price. And what I mean with correct is that when the market is going against me and I start to sell again, so I have a sell bias at the moment, right? I have some sells here, I have some sells there, and the price is above my sell price, which means that I am more expensive and I'm selling for a cheaper price. And if you do that, you are actually in a negative, right? So if you are buying a banana for your shop from your supplier for more money and you sell a customer for less of the money, you're obviously not in business for long, right? I mean, you're not a charity, right? You want to make some money, which means you have to buy cheap and sell more expensive. So when I sell expensive and buy back on the cheap, that the difference is my profit. The trades in both directions, which means I can sell something I don't have and I can buy something back at a better price. If I have to buy it back at a higher price, obviously that difference is a drawdown or a negative if I close that out. But my trading style is I have not to close any of my trades out until they are all in profits. So what I'm literally doing is I try to not be in any negative for the day, and I don't want to close any of my trades in a negative. If I do closing of a position in a negative, the only reason for that is that the overall sequence is a profit. What do I mean with sequence? The sequence is like if you, let's say I have like 3 trades in the sell direction. The first 2 trades were not as good as I wanted them to be, and the last sell I'm doing at a higher price is actually making me more money than those 2 trades together at the lower price. So the 3 trades together will have a profit. So when I close those trades, all 3 at one time, everything together is a profit. It doesn't matter if it's just 10 cents, if it is a $1 trade, doesn't really matter. The only goal is that I am closing my trades always in a profit. Most of the professional traders that don't like hedging or the trading style I'm doing, they say, oh, it doesn't work for them and stuff like that. I mean, everybody can trade as they want as long as they are consistent in their trading. For me personally, I feel more comfortable with hedging than with taking a stop loss and then close more trades in a loss than in a profit. So yes, I have a drawdown. I have some tolerance in terms of how far I want to go into the negative, but when I'm patient enough and the market goes all in my favor again, I can actually step on the gas pedal and and increase the trading volume in the correct direction. So let's say, for example, the market has moved up for quite some time right now, right? And I am still selling. What if this is the high for the day, right? And this market goes all the way down again. And instead of closing those into a negative, I'm waiting patiently until price comes down back to me, and I'm basically close them all in profits instead. Okay, so it's like, you know, waiting it out until you have the right customer for the right price. You know, some customers might wait until you offer them a discount or something, but you know, I don't have to sell anything until I get my money, right? So that is the overall idea about hedging and all that kind of stuff. Okay, let me go and close that one out, 6476, and I'm closing that with 6455, which is right there. You see that buy maybe 001 right there, and this is probably a sell. So if I am, let me actually remove that panel. You see that sell right there? This is a sell position, this is a buy position, so I'm matching this line with this line, and the difference between those are my profits. So if I have a better price right there with the sell, so this is my runner almost at the top, and if that goes all the way down, this will be the position that has the most profit on the run to the downside, right? So let me close that position, double click on this, 6476, and close that with a position at 6455. I close that, that would be a 21-cent profit. So I'm closing that. You can see those lines go away. And if I go to the account history, that should be, what did I say, 21 cent right there. So now I have 89-cent profit for the day. Not that much, right? But let's say $1 on a $220 balance. It's still not a percent. What is a percent on 220? Obviously $2.20, right? Yeah, $2.20, obviously. I'm not good at percentages at the moment while doing a live stream, but you should know your numbers. So let me actually sell again and find a spot right there. This is 4.4, so I'm taking this also at 4.4. Alright, so as you can see, right, oh, this is history, there you go. So you see I have at 6440, and the next one is at 6375, which is down here. Yeah. So I'm waiting to have this to go down. This is a 1 minute time frame. Each candle you see on the screen is 1 minute long. This is a 5 minute chart. Each candle is 5 minute long. This is a 15-minute chart, a 1 hour chart, and a 4 hour trading chart. You can see, okay, we are, and then this is like, you know, if you wake up and you think you're smart and then you're not making your analysis right, I mean, I would have made more money to the upside than to the downside for the day, because you can see all the green candles for the last 4, 8, 12 hours, or to the upside. So literally from here all the way back up to that area again. So my only hope is that this is an area where people want to go and sell again. Most of the times I compare this with a train that comes to a train station, and it's a train that goes from A to B. Let's say it goes from A to B or from B to A, it doesn't really matter. So just imagine you have a starting point and an end point. and this train is in high demand, so there is always a lot of passengers on the train. So you have a ticket for that train, but if you are not the first in line, the first train can just leave the train station without you. So what happened is that you still have your ticket and you wait for the next train to come and pick you up. So that is exactly what is going on with the price. When the price is coming to an area of a high demand, area, which means, let's say it comes down from this area all the way down here, and picks up those passengers, guess what? The price will go up back to the area where that supply starts. So it's called supply and demand zones. It's not something like resistance or support. It's more an area of where some big orders have been taking place. So for example, here the market has moved down into this zone and then moved up. You have these big candles, which means that this down move here and that starting point for the up move has created some kind of demand area. So what does that mean? If you go, okay, the price has gone through that area and created another zone here, but you can see that here in this area there's always some kind of demand, right? So in this area, every time price comes back into the zone right here, price is going up for some bit, right? Here it has gone up all the way up to this area until it comes back down. So now the next zone might be this area, similar to this, right? So when price hit that zone, price is going up. So right now this price is going into this zone, like here, right? You see that wick here. This was a full green candle until sellers, pushing price all the way down again. So in that area there might be supply, which means that whenever price comes back into that zone, there is a reaction to the downside. So that is based on the 4-hour, and I'm not trading on the 4-hour, but this is the overall bias for the situation. So as you can see, all green candles. Selling was not very smart. I'm probably already in the weekend mode, and you can see that we have on the 1 hour we have red candle, green candle, red candle right now. Actually, is a new hour started 4 minutes ago, which is good that it's actually red, which gives me a chance to maybe go down a bit. So I hope that helps. I don't know if you are with me here on the live stream, but what I will do is probably I will start a part 2 right now. Stop that stream and let you watch the replay. And making sure that it looks good. So see you on the next video. Part 2 will be starting in a couple of minutes, and then maybe what I will do next is also, let's say before I do that, let's say I prepare, it's not working while I'm doing the streaming, so I cannot do the manage broadcast right now. But what I do, I stop the streaming and see you in part 2. And don't forget to join the Discord server, clicking the link around that